Android system, USB connector, connected, disconnected. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can solve the Android system's USB connector, connected, disconnected issue. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to solve the USB connected, connected, disconnected issue, what happens here is that whenever you connect a USB cable, maybe from a computer, or maybe you're trying to charge it, it gives you a little notification, and maybe you don't like that. Now in this case, in order to solve this, there are a couple of steps that you can take. The first of all, I want you to open up settings. Now I'm sure most of you have already heard of a setting known as developer options. To enable it, you have to go to your device section. On my Xiaomi device, I have to go to my device, then I have to go to detail, info and specs. On Samsung devices, it could be different. Now here you'll find the option called OS version. In other phones, it would be labeled as build number. So you want to multiple tap on this OS version or build number. Remember, I'm not talking about Android version, but about the OS version that you can find. Multiple tap on OS number or the build number to enable developer options. And after you enable developer options, just locate the developer options from your settings. In my case, it is under additional settings. And if I scroll down, here I will find a new option known as developer options. Now once I go to developer options, I just need to scroll a bit further below. First option, make sure to enable is USB debugging. After you enable USB debugging, just make sure to scroll a couple of steps further below here as well. Then you'll find an option that says default USB configuration. Make sure to tap on it. Now if you're only trying to charge your phone using a cable and a dock, you can just select the option called no data transfer. So no data is going to get transferred and it will not give you that little notification at the top. If you leave it to file transfer, you can only enable this setting whenever you're trying to actually transfer files using a PC or other options here, but I would just recommend it no data transfer. This will only allow you to charge your device as well. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can basically remove USB connector connected notification. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.